Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. I am filming for you a huge H&M and Zara mashup haul. I'm going to be taking you through my winter picks from both and styling up some outfits in the way that I know you guys like. So if you are not, first thing I want to ask you to do is to subscribe to my channel, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And the second thing is to come and follow me on my socials. I'll have them just down below on the screen. It's @NadrineK across Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. Also, what I want to ask you to do is, if you're in the mood for some bargain shopping, head over to my Depop. I'm just @Nadrine. I'll have linked it below, as I'm selling some of my designer and high street items as well as some accessories. So there's some Burberry on there, some H&M, some River Island, there's some Longchamp, lots of other little bits for you guys to pick up at a steal. So without further ado, I'm just going to get into the video. So the first outfit I'm actually wearing, and I absolutely love it for like a off-duty lounging sort of day. So the top is this lovely knitted, sort of like a, what would I call this fabric? Like a knitted wool crossover jumper. It's got a v-neck. We know I love a v-neck. And it's sort of gathered in the middle. I've rolled the sleeves up, but they actually come quite long like that. And then it's got a little peep so you can show a little bit of skin, and just at the bottom, but not too much. And I have paired it with these high-waisted jeans. They are this lovely acid wash light blue. They are a really nice fit, and they are probably the first light coloured jeans that I've tried on that I actually really like. Now what I'm going to do is probably distress them at the knees, because I feel like if I'm wearing light coloured jeans, I want them to be a little bit more rough around the edges. So I'll probably cut a hole in there, maybe do some slits up here, I don't know. And this is the first outfit. I will have linked both items down below so you can go pick them up from the H&M website, and I'll get straight into the next one. So the next outfit is also a really big favourite of mine for a few reasons. One, you guys know I love a midi length leather skirt, so let's just talk about this piece. So the skirt is of course H&M, and it is so buttery soft. I don't think it's real leather, but I'll link it down below so you guys will be able to see. But it's just so smooth. It's got like a button down feature just all the way up, and then it's got a lovely little belt that you can sort of tie and kind of customize to like how tight you want the waist to be. So it really cinches you in quite nicely. There's no slit at the back, but I am not, you know, too fussed about that. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. And I've paired it with this sleeveless bodysuit from Zara. So it's just white. I got it in a size small. The skirt I got in a size 10. So yeah, this is what the back of the top looks like. It scoops down quite low, I feel like around here. So you have to be really careful about the kind of bra that you're wearing. But I feel like this pairing together, I'd probably rock this with some like strappy heels, and this would be like a night out outfit. I also bought my Teddy Blake handbag, because I feel like this goes really well. So this is absolutely something that I would wear in the office, and maybe I would kind of carry it with the long strap, maybe not on second thoughts. But you've kind of taken a really high street look and you've made it very high end, and it's all about accessories. This bag, fraction of the price of a Hermes Kelly, and yeah, it just makes this outfit look incredible. So this is currently my top favourite fit, but there's a few more to come that I think you guys are gonna love. So this next look is definitely one if you're feeling like you want to show up and show out. So there's lots of elements to it. First of all, this gorgeous checked grey and black blazer. I feel like this print is all the rage right now for sort of autumn winter, and it just gives me very much old school gentleman vibes, the blazer I'm talking about. So that's why I kind of like to wear it off the shoulder, just to make it a little bit less masculine. I've paired the outfit with this bag again because I just think it goes really well. And then I've also just added these leather look jeans from Dorothy Perkins. They're the Frankie jean, but they just have a really nice wet look to them, and they go really well with outfits like this. So I'm going to take the blazer off, but just come up close so you guys can really see, and then show you the jumper. So it's a turtleneck jumper. It's just nice and warm, nice and cozy. It's got this lovely sort of black details on the cuffs. I love this look. This would normally be one of those that I would tuck, and it would just keep me really warm in winter. So I am a huge fan. I'll have linked the jumper and the blazer down below. If I can find a link to a similar style handbag, I will below. And if I can find these jeans or something very similar, I will link that below. So, okay, I've changed my mind. Maybe this is my favourite look. So I've switched it up. I've swapped out the white Zara bodysuit with this black one. So exactly the same style, sort of scoop neck. Also kind of a high scoop neck, really nice and smooth. Tucks in really nicely to these leather look jeans from Dorothy Perkins, and I have styled both of those with this absolutely stunning houndstooth blazer from H&M. Now the sun is sort of really being an enemy of progress, but I just wanted to show you up close how gorgeous this blazer is. It's one of those that can go casual and real smart, like it can do both ends of the scale, and I had to pair it with this bag because why the hell wouldn't you? I can also see this look with like a white v-neck tee, some like distressed denim and trainers, this bag, like a just, you know, sort of casual vibe type look. But I love outfits like this. I sort of missed doing the blazer thing, but I feel like now that I have started a new job and I actually have places that I can dress up really smartly to go to, this might be a thing that I do. So the blazers are coming back. We love this outfit. I want you guys to give me your thoughts on this as a look and let me know sort of where you would sort of rock this type of outfit to. But yeah, this is my number one. So I've got one more and then I am done. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to see this look styled up on my Instagram, then please do come and follow me there. It's at @NadrineK. And for my final trick, I'm only joking. So the final fit is this, well, pretty much centers around this absolutely stunning houndstooth coat. Same kind of print as the blazer that I just wore, but just a bigger and bolder fashion. I really love this, and you know what, it does feel quite warm, although it's still quite thin, so you can definitely layer up under this. Had to rock it with this. But to be honest, normally I probably do this with like a polo neck, black jeans, black boots, and kind of do like a sort of ninja vibe underneath, and then have this to sort of style it up quite nicely. But this is just my favourite. It's got nice big pockets. Love the lapel on this, black buttons. It's everything that I want in a coat. I actually already have a long winter coat like this, but I'm thinking that I might swap it out for this one. So if you want to head over to my Depop to pick up another winter coat that I also got from H&M, then I will have linked that down below. Of course, I've started with my Teddy Blake bag again, and that is the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed since my last one, and if you are new here, my name's Nadrine and I post one new video every week, and whether it's fashion related content or career related content, which there is more coming, there's always something for everybody. I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be on Sunday again, and I hope you guys have an amazing week.